Hello guys, welcome back on MeltFlex. This is a platform for interior designers as well as architects or anybody who just wants to design his own space. Today we will talk something about Sketch, how we can convert Sketch of interior into something photorealistic. First thing that we have to do, I will show you step by step. We have to have the sketch of the interior. So let's find Sketch interior. Let's find some just photo and let's copy the photo. For example, let's go with the first one. Let's copy the photo. And let's pass it into MeltFlex. All we have to do right now is we have to type a prompt. So convert this into photorealistic visualization. This can be in your own language. So if you're from Spain or anywhere, you can just type in Spanish. Then let's try batch upload. So let's generate three images, for example, and we will see three different variations how this space could look in photorealistic style. So if you just draw something on a paper and you want to see it in real life, this is how you can do that pretty easily. meltflexai.com, by the way, is the platform. You have one generation for free, so you can try it out with your own visualization and you can see how it goes. This is the first one that we got. This is the second one and the third one. Let's see it more in the picture, more clear. So this was the sketch. This is after. This is another option. This is another option. For example, if we are right now not satisfied with the table or we don't have this kind of table at home, we can actually find the tables that we want for our clients or that we have. So let's just find small table. Let's type in small. And all we have to do is we have to take a screenshot out of the table. So let's take a screenshot out of this table. This is like some coffee table. And let's say replace table with this one. Let's generate, for example, I don't know, let's generate three variations. And we'll see three different variations on how this table could actually look in the space itself. So for example, if you have a new space and you want to bring some old furniture that you have into the new space and you cannot visualize how it would look, you can do it absolutely like that, like this. So let's see how the coffee table will look like. And here we have it. We have three different variations. I think the most correct one is this one. And for example, if you are satisfied with the furniture that it picked for you from the visualization, you can actually buy the furniture based on the image recognition. So for example, it recognizes there is a couch. You can see other stores and you can find this couch available. These are all the countries. These are all the shops that are available within your country. So for example, this chair is pretty similar to this one, or this one, or this one, or this one, or this one. You can see also different price ranges. So if you are not sure if you already have a chair that you want, but you, for example, want some different kind of furniture, something which is maybe a bit cheaper and looks same, you can absolutely do it like this. You can see the chairs right here. Also, the same goes for lighting. Just grab myself here. So lighting, also the table that we got in the first picture. This is the table. You can see it right here in a kind of a artistic shape. If I'm interested into this, I can find it in other stores. So let's just show it. Yeah, for example, this table is pretty similar, or this one is similar. You can find different variants. Of course, this table was like much harder to find because there is like quite a specific shape, as you can see this, and not many stores offer it, but this will actually find you shoppable furniture. So this is really cool feature if you are reconstructing your house or your clients want some kind of furniture and you don't have like some delivery guy who could actually do that for you and you want to find something. Also, for example, you can add some emotion. So for example, if you're selling internet to your client, you can, for example, say add kids playing in motion. And let's try different variants. So for example, your client has two kids and you're selling him interior. You can also add some emotion into the interior like this. So just type in like whatever prompt comes in your mouth in your mind. For example, they're like just two people drinking wine in a nice evening. You can absolutely do that, but by writing the prompt itself. And we will see the final design and then we will end the video. So let's see. So here you can see kids are playing. Platform is called meltflexai.com. I will be happy if you try it out and thanks for watching.